Hello friends, good day to you all. I am Anuya Chabukswar. Today I am going to give you information about addiction and its effect on our body. For last 4 to 5 years, I am working on the project of anti-addiction drive. I go to different colleges and schools and there I give the information about the addiction and its bad effect on our body to the children, and I try to bring awareness among them about the addiction. So today, with the help of this channel, I am going to give you the same information. Try to listen to it carefully, try to think over it and decide for yourself that you will never ever go for any type of addiction. Hello friends. Friends, how will you feel if I tell you that our country has the potential to become one of the superpowers in the world? I know you will be very proud of our country, you will be proud of yourselves. But if I tell you that illiteracy, blind beliefs, addiction are some of the hurdles in our becoming superpower, then how will you feel? You will feel a sense of shame, isn't it? Friends, today I can tell you that there was one survey which was conducted in our country, and it shows that after every 25 seconds, one death occurs due to addiction. More and more college going, school going children are attracted towards it. And every day 5,000 children are starting consuming some type of addictive substance, and after some years they become addicted to it, and about 50% of them die because of addiction only. So this is the situation in our country, and that is why we have to be careful about it, and we have to decide that we will not go for addiction. That is why today I am going to tell you about the different types of addictions and their bad effects on our body. To understand this point, I will first explain to you the vicious circle of addiction. When you start consuming some type of addictive substance, for example, if you start consuming tobacco, if you eat tobacco, then at that time the level of dopamine in your brain, it increases. Now you will say that what is dopamine? Dopamine is a chemical in brain which is related to your happiness. So when the level of dopamine increases, you will feel happy, relaxed, you will work for hours together, you will feel energetic. But after some time, the level of dopamine drops, and at that time you will feel that you don't have any energy in you. You can't work hard, you can't do any physical or mental work, you cannot even concentrate in your studies. So now you will feel that again you should eat that tobacco again so that everything will be all right. So you will go for it again. You will eat it. So again the level of dopamine will increase. This is how the brain tries to maintain the level of dopamine, and this is called addiction. After certain stage, your brain, your body, it demands for it again and again. This is called addiction, and this is called the vicious circle of addiction. Once you become addicted to it, then you won't be able to come out of it very easily. Just you cannot avoid eating it, and that is why I am telling you that don't go for it. Don't start eating it at any cost. Children, when in school your academic year starts, at that time you buy uniform, your books and notebooks, and you try to keep them in good condition throughout the year because you want to use them for the whole year. But if your best friend he sprinkles some ink on your uniform, how will you feel? Because you know that you want to use it throughout the year, you will be very angry and you will fight with him and you won't forgive him. You won't even speak with him after that. Children, you know that the next day you can go to the market and buy that uniform, but still you won't forgive your friend. Now tell me that a person who is spoiling your body, who is spoiling your health, who is spoiling your life, should you forgive him? But you don't think about it. You give him your money and in return you invite for the hazardous effects on your body of the addiction. The people who sell you tobacco or alcohol or cigarette, those people, they are interested only in your money. They want to earn money from you. They don't bother about your health. So just don't be fools that you go to them, give them your parents' hard-earned money and again invite for your bad health or disastrous effect on your body. And that is why today you have to decide that you will never go for any addictive substance and enjoy the life. Thank you.